unboxing myself a T10 remote for the GoPro. It says 8 through 12 in the max, the heroes. I don't really care for the actual GoPro brand, so I went with this one. I've had this before on my S7, or my S7, and a Samsung. I had this same brand earlier on my GoPro 7, and it worked great. But it does need a screen protector like right away. This is what it looks like. Guy on Black Friday for, I think, like $10 off. Link will be in the description. That was an iPhone box. That's how they do the sides. We'll see if it comes with any juice in it. You really don't get the hours out of any of them. I think they only last like 3 hours. There's the beauty itself. Guess we'll get to that last. So it comes with... I wish I had my GoPro going right now, because I have to be so far away from my phone's camera to make this video. Because my GoPro, I'm going to show us hooking it up. That's it in that box. You get a nice strap. That strap's a lot nicer than the old one. Got Velcro, and then this is nice, smooth. The cord looks like the exact same cord, maybe about 3 foot. That's how it charges. I like the wireless charge versus having to plug it in. And my foot just fell asleep. If you guys want to see the manual, pause it and screenshot what you want to read. And do you guys need Japanese? My phone camera comes in so much better than that GoPro. Got the GoPro here, fresh battery in it. Here's the device itself. It does scratch very easy. This one feels the same exact way. I wish it would have came with a tear off, because I normally clip the tear off and make it be the holder, the cover. It does feel stronger than the last model I had for the 7. You could actually push that in. This feels pretty well built. Warning, please to charge your device. A 5-volt charger. Does that mean it will not auto figure out if it's 5-volt or not? It's kind of alarming, because most of my stuff I charge with now, I'm using quick chargers. 300 milliamp hours, which is really small. There we go, focused. That's where the cord goes in to charge. I think there's a right way too. Yeah, if you put it on the other way, the magnets fight each other. You do it that way, goes right on. Really nice. Only thing bad about magnet chargers is they get rust in them. So that's the loop for the strap. See if it's got any power in it. No, wrong button. Oh, it's got some power. Okay, you guys can't see that, but I can. Came about 80%, saying it's trying to find something. Hey Google, shut off my lights. Okay, it wants to shut off all the lights except the one that is blaring. I'm pushing a few buttons just to see what it does. It's not doing anything. Okay, I'm just going to tell you what's on that screen, because having it that close with using my GoPro isn't going to work. Can't see 2 things at once. So let's turn that on. It's already on good, because now I'm like, how do you pair it? Okay, so I'm going to go. See that little blinking light on the right top? It's Bluetooth or something, I guess. It is trying to find it, but we have to tell this to find it. And connections, and then connect device. I hope you guys can see that. The remote. Huh, I clicked on a totally different thing. I guess it worked. And this is saying no SD. It should have an SD in it because I just did an unboxing video. Oh, so now it's put that to the right. Maybe you guys can just see it. It says 1. Oh, it shows me the camera life and the RC. I just took a picture. Oh, I'd say no. Oh geez, I'm in photo mode. I should be able to change it with this. Holding the... Oh my god, now it's pairing to a different thing. Okay, I just took another picture. That's great. Okay, so the power button that kicks this on, which most people would probably be like, I don't want to touch that, changes it to different modes. Now we're on time warp, standard. There, we're on standard. I'm going to click the record button. You guys should see it. And there it goes. I can hit it again. Done. It looked like it was delayed, but it had stopped it nearly as soon as I pushed it. Not really any settings on this, which is nice, so I don't hit any buttons and make it go apeshit, but I'm sure there's more to it if I read the manual, but I just wanted to show you guys. Let's see if I shut it down with this, if it will turn it back on. Now, most people don't understand this. If you put a different battery in this, this will not turn that on. It's kind of like a tablet. If the tablet totally dies, it's not going to turn it back on. It has to be turned on once. Because right now, as it's sitting there, it's kind of like in a sleep mode. So it should be able to turn it off unless I've shut the settings off accidentally. I'm going to turn that, put that down, and it should kick that camera on. I may have shut off all the settings, though. Yeah, I must have shut off all... It says no SD. Oh, it turned it on. Sweet. No SD. I don't know why it's saying that right away. Yeah, over here I got an SD card with 3 hours and 50 minutes in it. But it does go away. Let's see if it records. I pushed it. It stopped. Now it's finalizing. And then it files it into the SD card. And there we go. There's nothing under settings I can... I'm sure you can find more on the web, but I was just showing you guys. Thanks for watching. Doo-doo-doo-doo.